Good morning, student. Myself, Manju Supa from Kana Kingdom Smart Education. Today, I am going to teach you mathematics of first and second class, and the topic is addition. In this chapter, we are going to learn about introduction to addition. That means we are going to learn about what is addition and the symbol of addition, all the things related to addition. In this chapter, we are going to learn all the things that related to addition and the adding two-digit number with one-digit number with or without regrouping. We are going to solve two-digit number. We are going to solve the addition of two-digit number and with one-digit number with or without regrouping. First we will solve with regrouping and without regrouping also. Okay, student. Now, at last we are going to learn adding two-digit number. That means we are going to solve two-digit number with and without regrouping. At first we are going to solve adding two-digit number without regrouping, and at last we are going to learn about adding two-digit number with regrouping. Okay, student. Now we are going to learn about introduction to addition. Okay, student, we are going to learn about introduction to addition. Addition means combining two or. Addition means combining two or more things together and finding how many in all. That means total. Addition means combining two or more things together and finding the how many in all. That means it is a process of finding all the things together. Okay, student. Now, addition means like you have 5 fingers in one hand, right? And in another hand you have also 5 fingers in one hand, right? You have 5 fingers in each hand. So tell me how many in all fingers do you have? How many fingers do you have in your hand, in your two hand? 10, right? Because see, this is a process of addition. You are adding 5 fingers together. You are finding how many fingers are there in your two hands. That means you have to find the number of fingers in your both hands, right? So you have 10 fingers. That means it is a process of addition. That means addition means combining one or more things together and finding how many in all. That means you have to find the total. Okay, student. Now, addition means simply addition means combining two or more things together and finding how many in all. Okay, student. Now, the symbol in second line, the symbol used for addition is right in red color. See, the symbol of addition, this which is right in red color, which is marked by red color. Okay, student, the symbol used for addition is this. Now we read this symbol as plus. We call the symbol as plus. That means we read this symbol as plus. Sometimes if we have to add 5 plus 5 and 5, we have to add 5 and 5, so that time we call 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5, so it's equals to 10. That means we are adding 5 to 5, right? So we got 10. Like this, we used symbol plus for addition. Okay, student, the symbol used for addition is marked in a red color, and we read this symbol as plus. We call this symbol as plus. Okay, student. So see, I combine 3 star and 2 star. While combining 3 star with 2 star, while combining 3 star with 2 star, we got total. How many totals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called the process of addition. Now we are combining 2 and 3 star together, and we find that they all are how many in all? They all are in 5 star, right? So 3 star, and while combining 3 star with 2 star, we got 5 star together in all, right? So 3 plus 2 equals to 5. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Okay students, see, we learn introduction to addition. Addition means combining 2 or more things together and finding how many in all is called addition. Addition means combining 2 or more things together and finding how many in all. Right student? That means total. We have to find total. In addition, we have to find total. Okay. Now, the symbol used for addition, which is marked by red color. See on the screen. So, we read this symbol as plus. We call this symbol as plus. If you have to add 2 with 2, that time you can say that 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Like this, in the same way, I combine 3 star with 2 star, so altogether there is 5 star. Okay student, this is the process of addition, or this called addition. Now we are going to learn about adding 2-digit number with 1-digit number. Okay student, now we are going to learn about adding 2-digit number with 1-digit number without regrouping. Okay student, now for this we take one example, that is we will add 26 and 3. We will add 26 and 3. Okay, adding 2-digit number with 1-digit number without regrouping. This is the process of without regrouping. We are solving this example, that is add 26 and 3. So solution, let's add. Okay, let's add these two numbers together. Okay, first step, arrange the number vertically. First you have to arrange the number vertically, like how I arrange the number in the place value chart vertically. In the same way you have to be arrange number in the same way. Okay student, so make 2 column, one for ones and second for tens. One for ones and second for tens. Okay student, you have to arrange this number vertically. So step 1 is arrange the number vertically. So first you have to arrange the number vertically. Okay student, now step 2, add the ones. You have to add the ones. That means in the number 26, which number or which digit is in ones place? Just tell me which digit is in ones place. Which digit? That is 6, right? 6 is the digit which is present in ones place in the number 26, right? So we have to add. So in the second number, that is only 3. 3 is the digit which is present in ones place itself. So we have to add 6 and 3 together. So step 2 is add the 1. So we'll add the 1. So in the number 26 we choose 6 because 6 is in ones place. So 6 plus 3, that means 6. While adding 6 with 3, while combining 6 and 3, we get 6 and 3. While adding 6 and 3, we'll get 9, right? 9 as a sum. So write 9 in a ones column, because while adding the ones, we got 9. So we have to write 9 in a ones column. We have to write 9 in a ones column. Okay student, we have to write 9 in a ones column. We completed step 2. Now we will move towards step 3. Step 3, bring down the number in the tens column. So you have to bring down the number in the tens column. So just see, in the number 26, 2 is in tens column. So you have to bring down 2 in a tens column. So altogether 29, right? So the sum of 26 and 3 is 29. The sum of 26 and 23 is 29. Okay student, we learn adding two-digit number with a one-digit number without regrouping. Okay student, we are learning this adding two-digit number with a one-digit number without regrouping. This is the first example. In first example, we add 26 and 3 together. So the first step was arrange the number vertically. We arrange this number vertically. First we make place value chart and we place the number vertically, right? So second step was add the ones. We add the ones. After adding the ones, we got 9. So we write 9 in a ones column, right students? So the step 3 was bring down the numbers in the tens column. We bring down the 2 in the tens column, right? So we got the sum of 26 and the sum of 26 and 3 is 29. We come to know that the sum of 26 and 3 is 29, right student? Okay student, now we will see another example of adding two-digit number with one-digit number without regrouping. Okay student, now we will see another example of adding two-digit number with one-digit number without regrouping. Okay student, now the second example of this is at 71 and 8. We will add these two numbers together. Okay, solution. Let's add. The first step is arrange the number vertically. We should arrange the number vertically, or first we will make place value chart of ones and tens. Only two column. Okay, only of two column, and one for ones and second for tens. Okay student, now the first step is arrange the number vertically. We will arrange the number vertically first, and the step 2 we will add the ones. That means step 2 is add the ones. We have to add the ones. That means in the number 71, 1 is the number, that 1 is the digit which is present in ones place, right? So and the next one in the number 8, it itself in ones place, right? So 8, we should add 8 and 1 together. So while adding 8 with 1, eight with 1 we will get 9, right? So write 9 in a ones column. So write 9 in the ones column. That means we should write 9 in a ones column. Okay student, now we completed the step 2. Now we will move towards step 3. Okay student, step 3, bring down the number in the tens column. So we will bring down the number in the tens column. So see, 7 is in the number 71, 7 is in tens column. So we will bring 7 in tens column. So 7, 9, all together we got 7, 9, 79. So from here we come to know that the sum of 71 and 8 is 79. The sum of 71 and 8 is 79. Okay student, this is another example of adding adding two-digit number with one-digit number without regrouping. At first we solve one example, and this is second example. Okay student, in second example we add 71 and 8. After adding, at last we come to know that sum of 71 and 8 is 79, right student? Okay, the first step was arrange the number vertically. At first we arrange these two numbers vertically in the place value chart, right student? And the step 2 was add the ones. We add the ones, and after adding the ones, the step 3 was bring down the numbers in a tens column. We bring down 7 in a tens column, right student? Okay, now the sum of 71 and 8 is 79. After doing this addition, we come to know that the sum of 71 and 8 is 79, right student? Okay. Now we are going to learn about addition of two-digit number with one-digit number with regrouping. In earlier we learned addition of two-digit number with one-digit number without regrouping. Now we are going to learn about addition of two-digit number with one-digit number with regrouping. Okay, student, now be ready for this. Now we'll solve one example. Okay, now example, add 26 and 9. We are going to add, or we are going to find out the sum of 26 and 9. Okay, student, now solution. Let's start. Now let's start. The step 1. Step 1 is arrange the number vertically. First we'll arrange the number vertically in place value chart. Okay, students, see how I arrange the number vertically in place value chart. Okay, now step 2. We are going to do the step 2. Okay, step 2 is add the ones. We should add the ones. Add the ones, that means in the number 26, 6 is the digit which is in ones place, right student? 6 is the digit which is in ones place. So in another number 9 is one digit number, so 9 itself in ones place, right? So let's add the ones. Okay, so 6 plus 9, that means 6 plus 9, we have to add 6 plus 9. So 6 plus 9 is equal to 6. While adding 6 with 9 we will get 15, right? 15 means, now 15 means 15 means we are adding the ones, that means 15 ones, that right? 15 ones. So 15 ones means 110 plus 5 ones, that means 15 ones. In 15 ones there is 5 ones and 1 tens. So write 5 in a ones column. First 5, write 5 in a ones column and carry over 110 to the tens column, because while adding the ones we got 15, that means 15 ones means 110 and 5 ones. So 5 ones we write in ones column, so 110 we carry over to the tens column, right student? This is the process, or this is the step of adding two-digit number with one-digit number with regrouping. Okay student, so see, so we in second step add the ones, we add 6 and 9. So after adding 6 and 9 we get 15, right? We got 15 ones. So 15 ones means 110 and 5 ones. So we write 5 in ones column because 5 ones, and we carry over 110 to the tens column. We should carry over 110 to the tens column. Okay student, we completed second step. Now the third step, add the tens. We should add the tens. Now we are going to add the tens. Okay student, see, add the tens. There in 26 2 is a digit which is in ones place, and there is no other digit in 9, right? 9, because there is only one digit, that is number, that is 9, which is itself in ones place. So in second step we carry over 110 to the tens column, right student? In second column we carry over the 110 to the tens column, so we should add that 110 to in this step. In third step we have to add that 110 here. So 2 is already there, so we should add 1 with 2. So while adding 2 with 1 we got, or will get 3 tens, right? So write 3 in tens column, write 3 in tens column. Thus the sum of 26 and 9 is 35. From here we come to know that the sum of 26 and 9 is 35, right student? The sum of 26 and 9 is 35. So we learned addition of two-digit number with one-digit number with regrouping. The first step was we should arrange the number vertically. And the second step was add the ones. So while adding the ones, we got two-digit number. So we have to, in two-digit number, we have to write the ones in the digit which is present in ones place. So we should write that ones number in ones column, and we should carry over the tens number in tens column. So after that, in third step, we add the tens. Finally we add the tens. So in tens we have to add the number and the number which we carry over in second step, right student? So the sum of 26 and 9 is 35. Okay student, I hope you all have understood the concept of adding two-digit number with one-digit number with regrouping. Now we are going to solve another example of addition of two-digit number with one-digit number with regrouping. Okay student, now we are going to solve another example, that is addition of 76 and 9. So let's start. First we have to make one place value chart. Yeah, right student, place value chart of two column, one for ones and second for tens. So the first step is arrange the number vertically. We have to arrange the number vertically, right student? We have to arrange the number vertically. And the step 2, add the ones. We have to add the ones. Okay student, now we have to add the ones. First we arrange the number vertically, at second we add the ones. So in the number 76, 6 is the digit which is present in ones place. So and 9 is itself in ones place, so we have to add 6 and 9 together. So while adding 6 and 9 together, we got or will get 15 ones, right? 15 ones, because we are adding the ones. So 15 ones. So 15 ones means 110 plus 5 ones. 15 ones have 110 and 5 ones. So we have to write 5 ones in 5 column, 5 ones in ones column, because 5 in 15, 5 is in ones place. So we have to write 5 in a ones column and carry over 110 to the tens column, because there is also 110 which is remain here. So after writing 5 ones in ones column, so we have to carry over 110 to the tens column. Then the step 3, we complete the step 2. Now we are going to solve step 3, that is step 3 is add the tens. We have to add the tens. So in the number 76, 7 is the digit which is present in tens column. So in step 2 we carry over 110 to the tens column. So there is 1 also. So we have to add 1 and 7 together. So while adding 7 with 1, we get 8 tens. So write 8 in a tens column. So the sum of 76 and 9. The sum of 76 and 9 is 85. Okay student, the sum of 76 and 9 is 85. So we solve another example, right, of addition of two-digit number with one-digit number with regrouping. The another example, that is 76 and 9. So the first step was arrange the number vertically. We arrange the number vertically in place value chart, and the step 2 was add the ones. We add the ones, and after adding the ones, the step 3 was add the tens. We add the tens, and At last we conclude that the sum of 76 and 9 is 85. Right, student? After learning addition of two-digit number with one-digit number without or with regrouping, now we are going to learn about addition of two-digit number. That means there will be two-digit number. There will be two-digit number. Okay. For example, now we are going to solve one example. That is, add 44 and 35. Now we are going to add two-digit number. For example, in adding two-digit number, we choose two-digit number. That is, one two-digit number is 44 and the another one is 35, two-digit number. Okay, student. Now let's start. Solution. Let's add. Now there is the first step of adding two-digit number is arrange the number vertically. First, we have to arrange this number vertically. Okay, student, we have to arrange the number vertically in place value chart. First, we have to make place value chart, and after that, after making place value chart, we have to put the number, or we have to place the number in the place value chart. Okay, student. Now add the ones. Second step is we should add the ones. See, in the number 44, 4 is the digit which is in ones place, right? So in the second number, that is 35, 5 is the digit which is present in ones place. So we have to add these two numbers, that is 5 and 4, because step 2 is add the ones. So we have to add the ones. So while adding 5 and 4, we get 9 ones. That means while adding 4 and 5, we got 9 ones. So because we are adding ones, so obviously the sum is also in ones. So write 9 in the ones column. So write 9 in a ones column, because in second step add the ones. The step is add the ones. While adding 4 and 5 together, we got 9 ones. So we have to write that 9 in the ones column. Okay, student. Now the step 3 is add the tens. Now we are going to add the tens. So see, in the number 44, 4 is the digit which is in ones place. In 44, 4 in the number 44, 4 is the digit which is in tens place. So in the second number, that is 35. In 35, 3 is a digit which is present in tens place. So in third step, that is add the tens, we should add 4 and 3. So while adding 4 and 3, we will get 7, right? 7 tens. So we should write that while adding the tens, we should write the sum in the tens column. So we got 7 as a sum of 4 and 3. So we have to write 7 in a tens column. Okay, student. So see, we learn adding two-digit number without regrouping. So in this, to understand this topic, we take one example, that is at 44 and 35. See, I take two types of two-digit number. Okay, student. Now after that, we start adding this two-digit number. So the first step was arrange the number vertically. We arrange the number, these two number, in vertically in place value chart, right? 44 and 34, we place these two number in place value chart. And step 2, add the ones. Now we are going to add the ones. In step 2, we add the ones, that is in the number 44, 4 is the digit which is in ones place. So in 35, 5 is a digit which is in ones place. So we add 4 and 5. So while adding 4 and 5, we got 9 ones, because we are adding the ones. So however the answer come, we have to write the answer in ones place, because we are adding the ones, right? So write 9 ones, 9 in a ones column. So we write 9 in a ones column. So step 3. Now step 3, add the tens. Now in the number 44, 4 is a digit which is in tens place, and in the number 35, 3 is a digit which is in tens place. So while adding 3 and 4, we get 7 as a sum of 4 and 3. We got 7 as a sum of 4 and 3. So we should write 7 in tens column because we are adding the tens. So write 7 in a tens column. So from all this we come to know the sum of 44 and 35 is 79. The sum of 44 and 35 is 79. Okay student, I hope you all have understood the concept of adding two digit number without regrouping. Now we are going to learn about adding two digit number with regrouping. With regrouping, we already learned adding two digit number without regrouping, right? So now we are going to learn adding two digit number with regrouping. Okay student, now let's start. So to understand this topic, I take one example. So we are going to solve one example. Okay, add 43 and 28. Add 43 and 28. Okay student, first we have to add this 43 and 28. Okay, let's start. Okay, step 1. The first step is arrange the given number in tens and ones column. So we have to arrange these two number in tens and ones column. Okay, so this given number means 43 and 23. We have to place these two number 43 and 28 in tens and ones column. So in the place value chart, so we completed the first step. So the second step is add the ones. We have to add the ones. So in the number 28, 8 is a digit which is present in ones place, and in second number, that is 43. 43 in 43, in the number 43, 3 is a digit which is in ones place. So we have to add this add this two digit. Okay, so 3 and 8. While adding 3 and 8, we will get 1 1 11 ones, because we are adding the ones. So 1 1 11 is in ones. So now see, we got two digit number, so we can't write two digit number in ones column because there should be only single digit. So for this 1 1 11 means 1 10 and 1 ones. 1 1 11 means 1 10 and 1 ones. Okay student, 1 1 11 means 1 10 and 1 ones. So write 1 in the ones column. So we should write 1 ones in the ones column and carry over 1 10 to the tens column, and we should carry over the 1 10 to the tens column. Okay student, now step 3. See, in second step we add the ones. In the number 43, 43, 3 is in ones place. 3 is the digit which is in ones place, and in the second number, that is 28, 8 is a digit which is in ones place. So we add 3 and 8. So while adding 3 and 8, we got 1 1 11 ones. Okay student, so 1 1 11 means ones. So 1 1 11 ones means 1 10 and 1 ones. So we can't write two digit number in ones column, so we will write 1 ones. We have to write 1 in the ones column, ones place, and carry over 1 10 to the tens columns. Okay student, we should write 1 in the ones column and 1 10 to, we should carry over 1 10 to the tens column. Okay student, now step 3. Step 3, add the tens. Step 3 is add the tens. 4, 3, 4, 3, C. Add the tens. So, in the number 43, 4 is a digit which is present in tens column. 4 is a digit which is present in tens column. And in second number, that is 28, 2, 8, 28. 2 is a digit which is present in tens column. So, we should add this 4 and 2. But remember that in second step, we carry over 110 to the tens column. So, 110 is also there. So, we should add these three number together. So, 4 come from the number 43, 2 come from the number 28, and 1 is the number which we carry over in second step to the tens column. So, 4 plus 2 plus 1 is carry over. So, while adding 4 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 7 tens. So, we got 7 tens. So, we should write 7 in a tens column. We should write 7 in a tens column. Okay, student, now we learn adding 2-digit number. We learn adding 2-digit number with regrouping. Okay, student, with regrouping. So, for this, to understand this concept, adding 2-digit number with regrouping, we take one example, that is add 43 and 23. That is add 43 and 28. Okay, student. So, let's start. So, we add this. Now, the first step was arrange the given number in tens and ones column. We should arrange the given number. That means given number is 43 and 23. In here, given number is 43 and 28. So, we should arrange this number in tens and ones column. Okay, student. Now, the second step is add the ones. We should add the ones. Or see, in the number 43, 3 is the digit which is in ones place, right? Or in second number 28, 8 is a digit which is present in ones column. So, we should add 3 and 8 together. So, while adding 3 and 8, we got 11. 11 means 11 ones. So, see, we are adding the ones. So, we should write the ones because we are adding the ones, second step. So, 11 ones. 11 ones means 11 ones have 1, 10 and 1 ones, right? So, we can't write 2-digit number in ones column. So, we should separate this first. So, while separating, we got 1, 10 and 1 1. So, write 1 in a ones place. So, write 1 ones in a ones place and carry over 110 to the tens column. Carry over 110 to the tens column. And step 3, add the tens. We should add the tens. Okay, student, we should add the tens. So, see, in the number 43, 4 is the digit which is in tens column, and in second number, that is 28, 28 is the digit which is in tens place, right? So, we should add 4 and 2. So, but remember that in second step we carry over 110 to the tens column, right? 110 to the tens column. So, we should add these three numbers together because in second step we carry over 110 to the tens column. So, we should add 4, 2 and 1 together. So, while adding 4, 2 and 1, we got 7 tens. 7 tens. So, write 7 in a tens column. So, write 7 in a tens column. Thus, the sum of from all these, we come to know that the sum of 43 and 28, the sum of 43 and 28 is 71. Okay, student, adding 2-digit number. The first step is arrange the given number in tens and ones column. Second step, add the ones. Third step, add the tens. So, after solving all these steps, we got the sum of all this number. Okay, student. So, I hope you all have understood the concept of addition or the concept of this adding two-digit number with regrouping and without regrouping also. Okay student, so